Hi everyone, today I want to talk about one of the most popular new technologies. This is the 5G technology. Uh, as we all know, like now we have four generations of mobile networks in the past 20 years. We changed from making text messaging on the mobile phone to watching movies and playing games on the mobile phones. Now we need to upgrade and step in a new era. So let's begin our PowerPoint. What is 5G? 5G is the fifth generation mobile networks and it is the latest communication technology. 5G is an extension of the 4G system. And 5G is many times faster than the previous networks communication technologies. And 5G has a maximum speed of 10 Gbps per second. And 5G speed is like 100 times faster than the 4G system. So how to use 5G? 5G networks transmit signals in the millimeter wave band from 30 to 300 GHz, and since the millimeter waves are absorbed by the atmosphere and coupled with signals blocking in the buildings, the 5G technology requires a large number of cells to transmit signals. Placing of 5G cells on a pole or building antenna is a very good choice, but this project may have a very high cost. So here are some examples for the 5G project. In China, there are already nearly 40 cities have opened the 5G services in 2019, and Huawei is a very huge monster in the mobile network today, and it's also a very huge monster in the 5G market today. It not only contract China's 5G construction, but also affects major European countries like Russia, Germany, and the United Kingdom. Now Huawei leads the world in 5G construction. So in conclusion, I think 5G is a very important technology, and I think 5G can change the life for humans. Thank you for listening.